10 easy ways to add Christmas spirit into your home. You can get cheap boughs at dollar stores and discount shops. Tie generous ribbons to chair backs, candlesticks, picks in plants, and wreaths. You can also tie ribbons to garlands, basket handles, drapery tie backs, stair railings, and even doorknobs. Bows are an easy and festive look, and the ribbon colors and patterns you choose should go together with the rest of your decorating scheme. For a festive dinner table, look through your cupboards and get out any dishes that fit the holiday theme. Discount stores often carry many name-brand china as well as fun winter designs that are not so common. This is a great way to start a set of holiday dishes with dinner plates that coordinate with your everyday dishes. Arrange a generous amount of candles on the dining table. Even if you're just having leftovers, you can dine by candlelight and feel that your meal is special. When it comes to lighting, you can also burn a fire in the fireplace each evening, and encourage family and friends to gather around. Activities like reading, homework, writing Christmas cards, and even a brief snooze are great around the fireplace. Put a wreath or some type of holiday swag on every door you have. Start with the front door to welcome guests, and then go to the back door. You can also hang wreaths over the mantel, in front of windows, and on bedroom doors. With all of these options, you can put wreaths on both sides of the door if you wish. Of course, it's imperative that you put up a Christmas tree for the right holiday vibe. You can use an artificial tree, a real one, or a very small desk tree if you are concerned about size. For decorations, drape real or artificial garlands on railings, over mirrors, on the top of armoires, and along the mantel. Use additional ornaments to add wonderful color to your home to make the season extra special. Whenever you're home, turn on a CD or the radio and listen to Christmas music. For an extra jingle jangle, tie some sleigh bells onto the front door, and listen to the cheery welcome every time the door opens. If you have kids, you can wake them by jingling bells or give them a jolly ho, ho, ho in the mornings leading up to Christmas. Prepare a bowl of fresh fruit or holiday cookies to snack on for yourself and any guests. You can also bake little loaves of tea bread and wrap them in holiday wrap for a festive look. Set them in a pretty basket for decoration and take one when you visit friends or have guests over. In fact, if you're having guests stay overnight, put some goodies in the guest room to make your house guests feel really welcome. Use leftover greens from your Christmas tree to make a few quick arrangements in simple bowls. Place them in bookcases, along with the bathroom sink, on the kitchen windowsill, or on the table. Pile pine cones with ornaments and bows in a bowl or basket. Gather sprigs of holiday greens together with a bow and hang them from the inside of your windows. Sprinkle artificial snow across your kitchen tabletops, living room ledges, or around houseplants. Add some sparkle by placing shiny and bright ornaments in a clear glass bowl or vase in a visible area for guests to enjoy. You can also add a festive look around the house by embellishing indoor plants or trees with shiny decorations. For those celebrating Hanukkah and the Festival of Lights, make it shine by setting up a menorah. Plan a time in the day when the whole family is home to open the doors of an Advent calendar. Make a ritual of lighting the Christmas tree each evening, and create holiday cards with friends and family. You can add a personal touch by taking a family picture together, addressing the cards, and getting crafty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.